Think the Yankees are picking up this new Dominican kid guy that's like 102. What's his name? Rizor, something like that? Rizor just met her. What? What did you just say? Oh, well, you said Rizor, so I said Rizor just met her. But that was kind of funny. Yeah? I thought women can't be funny. Well, yeah, it's because we have smaller brains. What the is going on right now? I'm so confused. The only thing women can't do is be funny and drive, and, well, you're being kind of hilarious right now. Well, that could be the... What? Alex, how you feeling, bud? Okay, what's going on? You were in a terrible car accident and were in a coma for 11 days. How you feeling? I crashed? Well, no, not exactly. Hey, sleepyhead, you get enough sleep? Coma? More like, oh my god, you slept a lot. Yeah, that tracks.